Okay, so we had this table which we filled just using our knowledge of base cases, common sense. We didn't have to use any optimal substructure here. Now to fill the remaining boxes, we'll use that formula which we just derived, so to speak. So now I have, I'll start with this box. So it's CCP of 2 of 2, meaning my target value is 2. And I am allowed to use 1 rupee and 2 rupee coins. So you ignore what I've filled inside the box for now, that is the final answer. You just listen to the way I sort of explain how it is filled. So now I will either use this 2 rupee coin. So if I'm using this 2 rupee coin, I've taken one coin of rupees 2. So keep note, so the number of coins used is 1. And then I took away 2 rupees, so what is the remaining amount of money that I have to make? 0. So you don't need any more coins. So if I take this 2 rupee coin, I will have to use only one coin to reach my exchange value of rupees 2. So that's one option. So option A is 1 coin. Option B, I am refusing to use this 2 rupee coin. Then what happens is, I am only allowed to use 1 rupee coin, so I have to go to the directly above grid. I'll see how many coins I need. 2 coins. So option B is 2 coins. So I can either use 1 coin of rupees 2 or 2 coins of rupees 1. So obviously the minimum being 1, I will choose 1. Minimum of 1, 2 is of 1. That's how we fill in this grid. Again you come to this one. My exchange value now is rupees 3. I have denominations 1 and 2 allowed. 0 I am ignoring obviously. So 1 and 2 are the only denominations allowed to me. So again, option A, I choose to use that 2 rupee coin, meaning number of coins used is 1. Note that down somewhere. And out of 3 rupees, I have accounted for 2 rupees. So I need to account for 1 more rupee. So again, I go to the same row because the same denominations are allowed to me. For 1 rupee, I need only 1 coin. So this is 1 more coin. I had already picked 1 coin and now I am picking another coin. So 1 plus 1, 2 coins in the first case. In the second case, I am choosing not to use the 2 rupee coin. So the only denomination allowed to me is rupees 1, in which case I will need 3 coins. The second case is always you just look at the grid directly above. The first case is where you have to move one grid and all that. So the first case, as we saw, was 2 coins. This case being 3 coins. Again you check the minimum, which is 2. So you just put it there. So that is how you continue filling. I'll give you a random example somewhere here. Let's say 4, 7. So to make 7 rupees using 1 rupee coins alone, I need 7 coins. And if I had to use 1 and 2 rupee coins, I need 4 coins. This much I've already derived somehow. Now someone is introducing this new concept called 4 rupee coins to me. So first choice, I'm thinking, let me take this 4 rupee coin. So I pick 1 4 rupee coin from what is offered to me. So the number of coins I have picked is 1, and then out of 7 rupees that accounted for 4 rupees. So now I am left with 3 more rupees. So for 3 rupees I go to the table and I see somehow that I need 2 more rupees. If I am using all these denominations, I need at most 2 more rupees. So the total will be 1 coin of 4 rupees, and then for the remaining 3 rupees, it's somehow you already know it's 2 rupees. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Or if I choose not to use that 4 rupee coin, I will just look at the grid above and it says 4 coins. So it's 3, 4, the minimum being 3, you will put 3 in there. And so on and so forth. This is how we continue filling the values of the table. I just explained some random examples here and there, but typically how you do it is you start left to right for the first row, then left to right for the second row, and so on.